YouTube fam, what's up with you guys, man? How you guys doing today? I appreciate you guys for tuning back in. You guys see by the title, we're going to be installing taillight tint on the Q50. I already went and messed around with it yesterday, so I'll show you guys what we were working with. But let me give you guys a little walk around and a little update of what's happening. Check it out, man. This thing's so dirty. But while you guys were gone, I went and installed that license plate relocation kit right there. And I also just dropped a video a couple days ago with my homie Franny. We went and installed these same brake performance rotors on his whip, but they're the black and dimpled ones. So if you guys are interested in checking that out, go down below and hit up my dog Franny as well. And if you guys want to hit me up while you're at it, there's all my other platforms right there for you guys to pause the video. But check it out, man. We got charcoal taillight tint from Laminex. But bro, if I'm being honest with you, I don't know how much I would recommend this product to you guys, man. That thing was a pain in the ass to get on just because it's a perfect cutout. But I'm gonna show you guys how to take the taillights out if you guys are using vinyl. And we'll get right back into it. Alright, you guys, this is what we're working with. Like I said, we're using Laminex protective films. Of course, it's gonna come with the tint. It comes with a squeegee and a little spray bottle to lubricate the tint while you're using the squeegee. And it also came with the instructions and a little sticker too. But let me get this out the way real quick. I'm gonna show you guys how to take the lights out, and we'll get moving with the tint. Okay, so there's gonna be a little panel right here that you guys can take off. You guys could use this tool right here, a little plastic trimmer tool, just to make it easier. And then there's gonna be two 10mm bolts right here that you guys gotta have to take out. And the next thing you're gonna want to do is go behind the liner, and this this fucking gray cord right here, you're gonna have to take it out. Just unplug the power cord, and then there's gonna be two blue clips that you guys are gonna have to pull out from. So what you could do is just come here and pull it out, and then just keep wiggling it from both ends, and you guys should be able to get it out. When you guys get the tail light out, you guys can twist both parts of these wires out, and there's gonna be another clip right there that you gotta undo. So you see this top part right here, you can push down on it and pull it out. And also, just clean your tail lights out before you guys put the tint on. Just spray down your microfiber and wipe the tail light off. You don't want to spray the tail light, because if you do that, there might end up being some water in the spots that's hard to get to. Okay, so let's wrap it up and let's go. All right, you guys, so now that you guys have this one out, I'm gonna show you guys how to take this part out too. What you're gonna have to do is undo all the clips up on the lining, and then you guys can get to two 10mm bolts, I believe, and a 5/16 as well. So let me pop this thing off, and then we'll keep it going. So what we can do is we can start pulling the lining out from the trunk release. And then you guys can pop it out from the back of there too, like I did on that side. And when it comes to this piece, you guys can pull out this whole thing from the back. So now that you have this out of the way, we have access to two 10mm nuts right there, and then the 5/16 one that you have to take out right there. So if you guys are using vinyl sheets, you could take both parts of the taillight out. But like I said, I'm using Laminex, so I don't recommend taking the taillights out. I already tried, that shit's hella hard, bro. Come check this out. It's alright, we're gonna fix it up. But like I said, man, I recommend using a whole sheet of vinyl. I think it'd just be a little easier. This one's cut way too damn small for the taillight, so we'll see what we can do. We're gonna work with it, but let's get it going. Alright, you guys, check it out. Let me know what you think. Make sure you guys go down in the comment section and let me know your thoughts if you guys are rocking with it. If not, let me know as well and let me know why. But let's see what we're working with. Hopefully over the next few days the sun will take care of those bubbles. And another thing I forgot to let you guys in on is go in and grab a extension for your ratchets. That way you guys can reach those nuts that are up there. And you guys are also gonna have to undo the clip that's right here, and then the two nuts right here, the two 10mm ones right there as well. That way you guys can pull this thing out. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna wrap that up. But yeah, I recommend you guys go with the vinyl sheet. That way you guys don't have to seam two pieces together like that. But it's all good. That's how we're gonna rock with it for now. I'm gonna set you guys up on the camera and we'll take care of this whole left side in one go, okay? So let's get it. Confusion made that. Alright y'all, day 3 and we're out here again, man, grinding it out. So let me show you guys what we're working with. Let me show you guys the final product, you feel me? What these fools want out here, man. You guys see me doing my thing? Let's check it out. Yeah, like I said, the sun did its job and smoothed everything out. But I also went in and did some work on it too, so you guys do the same thing. But let me know what you guys think. We're all murdered out now. And if you guys are still watching the video, I much appreciate you guys, man. You guys are the real ones. You guys are gonna be the ones that make it happen. So I appreciate you guys for that. Check it out, man. We sitting right, yeah. All right. So we'll see what we could do and make some shit happen with the other camera. We'll close it down with some cinematic shots. But you guys keep running it up, man. You guys keep doing what you gotta do. And don't ever let anybody downplay what you ever do in your life, man. Don't ever let anybody put you down. Alright, so you guys stay up. And as always, stay tuned. I'm out of here, man. I'm out.